Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier treats. My focus is higher protein, higher fiber, and great healthy fats. Today we're making something chocolatey. We're making a chocolate cottage cheese cookie. So these cookies are lower in carbs, they are higher in protein and higher in fiber. So the protein is coming from cottage cheese and an egg white, and the fiber is coming from oats. So everything is made in a food processor. It takes 5 minutes. It's in the oven about 10 minutes. And you will have a cookie that tastes like, I would say, a brownie and a chocolate cake in a cookie form. With regards to the sugar, very versatile. You can use pretty much anything you like. And in terms of the amount, you can also customize that as well. I go up to 1/3 cup of sugar and it makes about 12 to 15 cookies, but you can use as little as 2 tablespoons of sugar. So it's completely up to you. So why don't we make a chocolate cottage cheese cookie? Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And you're going to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. And you're going to grab your food processor. We're going to add 1 cup of rolled oats, gluten-free. 1/3 cup of raw cane sugar. Again, you can use whatever sugar you like and as much as you like. 1 large egg white. 1/2 cup of cottage cheese, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Good quality vanilla. We're going to process for about 30 seconds, and then we're going to scrape it down. And then process for another 30 seconds. Then we're going to add our butter. Or melted butter. You can also use melted coconut oil here. Cocoa powder, good quality cocoa powder. We're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and some salt to balance. We're going to give that a blitz, 30 seconds or so. Scrape it down. And then blitz it for another 30 seconds. Lastly, we're going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips. You can use whatever chocolate chips you like. Just mix them through the mixture. And we're ready to scoop. Small ice cream scoop. You're going to scoop your cookie dough onto your parchment. With this size scoop, it makes about 15 cookies. If you use a larger scoop, it's going to do about probably 12 cookies or so. Final step is we want to flatten the cookies a little. So the mixture is quite sticky, so I like to wet my hands with a little water and just press down just slightly. They will spread out a little in the oven. We just want to give them a head start. And now it's time to bake. 375 for 10 minutes or so until it's firm in the center. You don't want to overbake these cookies, so start checking at around the 8-minute mark. I look at the center of the cookie. As long as it's slightly firm, you're good to go. It will continue to cook on the baking sheet once it's cooling. The last step, it's optional, but you can add a little flaky sea salt. I love to do that with most of my cookie recipes. So you're just going to sprinkle a tiny bit of the fleur de sel onto your cookies. Enjoy our chocolate cottage cheese cookies. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy treats. If you do try our chocolate cottage cheese cookies, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy baking.